Pilea microphylla, attractive foliage with huge minute lime green leaves on short. Arching stem gives artillery plant a fern-like appearance. Artillery plant, scientifically known as Pilea microphylla in the family of Urticaceae, is an evergreen ground-covering perennial plant forming a dense mat of growth around 30 cm up to 45 cm wide. Its succulent stems hold small lime green cluster leaves that are blotched with colors of white and pink. Also known as rockweed, the artillery plant is a fast growing, adaptable evergreen that can be grown in humid locations, including in indoors containers and rock gardens. To encourage a compact, busy plant, pitching off growing tips is important. So, carefully plant and grow the plant. An attractive plant with its fern like appearance, it's often grown as a ground cover in ornamental gardens and is also known as houseplant in cooler zones. In some areas, it is also used as medicines. Microphylla is a traditional medicines have been recorded for South and Central America. In Guatemala, crushed plants are applied to sores and bruises, and a decoction of old plants is used internally in Cuba as a diuretic and to treat liver and urinary inflammations, and in Jamaica as a tonic and to treat asthma. These all informations are taken from the Google. So this is for information only. Thank you.